or 10 3/4 there, but look, we'll have to get a little fancy with it. A little bendy. Okay, then.
Okay, that's about exactly where we need it.
Gotta test it right now. Right now.
All right.
Ready, burner one.
Burner 1, 2,900 watts. Burner 2, 4,000 watts. Cut on the air compressor. 5,300 watts. Cut on the vacuum. 6,000 watts. Cut on another burner. Fuck it. 7,100 watts. 10,000. Holy shit. As you can see, the stove is working. Air compressor working. Running range. A vacuum. Air compressor. All off of the sun with a fucking trailer we found on a job site. Some panels have been laying among our tiny house for about a year, dog. You can't beat us, Cletus. Working in hot-ass, non-air conditioned houses is a thing of the past, dog. We have a mobile power plant. Yeah.